Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how we can calculate total premium based on the input that is given by the user and the the rates that we can look up in our information table right here. So this is the information sheet where you find the base rate table, the deductible table, miscellaneous credit, increased jewelry coverage, increased liability expense fee, protection class and construction, territorial rating, underwriting tier rating table, and amount of insurance. I've kept amount of insurance in thousands just to make it less cluttered. And yeah, let's begin with the rating manual. Okay, so here we have I have created a list of inputs as well as result. These inputs are you have a drop down list where you can select what you want based on, for instance, if you see territory relativity, you can choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and depending on that the value changes. Now here I have kept in formula. I've used VLOOKUP, which goes back to the information sheet and looks up for the table for territory relativity, which is A48 to B52, as you can see here, A48 to B52. Now moving on, the base rate is 500, which has been taken already. Amount of insurance I have, you can manually enter here. So for instance, if I say 700, which is 700 in thousands, it takes 1.69, as you can see right here, more than that, so 1.69 around. And then construction class, I have an option of masonry and frame. Now the protection class and takes up the information from whether you choose masonry or frame, and then what protection class you have. That's what goes into the calculation. If you take 1 to 4, it's 0.9, and it refers to the protection class right here. So if you choose frame and then you choose 1 to 4, then this is the value that you get. If you choose masonry and you select 1 to 4, then this is the value that you get. Moving on, I have underwriting tier relativity. You can select from A through D, and that obviously changes the result here. Then you can select deductible starting from $250 to $5,000. Let's choose 5,000 here just for our problem. Then you can choose no new home discount. You can choose claims free discount and multi-policy discount, increased jewelry coverage rate if you want to increase your coverage rate. So the max we offer is $10,000 starting from $2,500. And then liability or medical coverage rate, for $500 you get for $100,000 coverage, and so on and so forth. And at the end you have a policy fee of $50, and this policy fee of $50 is what is already set here. And then the total premium is calculated here, and the formula is given, which is multiplying with peril rate, amount in thousands, all of them all through here until C10, which is deductible credit, and then doing the subtraction and the rest here. So yeah, thank you.